What's up, y'all? I want to tell you a story about this individual. It's actually a few instances that happened. So, one, guess it's the middle of the night, probably. Well, actually, early in the morning. About 3, 4 in the morning. One night I woke up to go to the restroom, and I hear this individual in there just going off. Just, I don't know who he was in there yelling at. He wasn't on the phone. Light on, and you're doing all this yelling and arguing with someone that wasn't. I guess he was fighting his demons. It says super loud because at first I'm thinking, when I woke up, I'm like, is this person arguing at me or so me? I just go to the restroom, come out. He's just laying on the couch, face toward the back seat of the couch. So yeah, that's when I discovered, yeah, he's fighting demons. He's arguing with demons, his own demons. Another time, this one had to be about 4 or something in the morning. I get up again to go to the restroom. Didn't pay attention, just went on to the back, went to the restroom, and as I came out, this individual sitting on the couch crying, like crying. Dude was slapped like a mug. And I'm like, this dude got a serious freaking mental problem. So I just proceed to my bedroom, close my door, get back in the bed. Tried to go back to sleep. And I want to say about a few minutes later, 5 minutes, I want to say. And he came in there, came in my room to the side of my bed. I would never did that shit to you. I'm like, what the heck? This dude got a serious freaking mental problem. He really does. So I didn't respond. I just went to sleep. He said whatever and went out the door. And this person is seriously mentally disturbed. And I used to try to tell him about that. But he didn't think anything was wrong with him. Another time, he tried to put up fake tears because he couldn't get his way. I said, dude, if you don't get up out of here with those fake ass tears, they not fake. I mean, he got serious, and I was like, yeah, you show them tears, show run away quick. Like I said, them fake crocodile ass tears. This is the stuff that they do. They can have all kind of emotions. You can't have any. Or you're going to be seen as weak. Or they're just going to sit there and look at you like, what's your problem? Like they didn't just cause all this freaking drama in your freaking day. That's what they live for. They look for anything to ruin your day, and don't let it be a special day. This person, even Mother's Day. My special day. And you chose this day to just keep up drama for pretty much the whole day. Drama. Being a drama queen. Just unnecessary, just to ruin your day. That's what they live for. They thrive on that. They get a thrill of that, a sick, twisted satisfaction from messing with your emotions. They get a twisted satisfaction from that. Like I said, one day this person, I just started to see that demon more and more. The person just literally let themselves go. It's like I said, the person stayed in the streets, completely stopped washing his ass, washing his clothes, half brushing his teeth, half making him anything to eat. Just jump up, run straight out the door, and be gone all day. Like I said, at these times, I was happy that he was gone. This person, I should have known something was wrong. Shortly after we moved in, he had a laundry bag that he kept his clean clothes in. This person used to actually put his dirty clothes in with his clean clothes. I'm like, what? Are you putting your dirty clothes in with your clean clothes? Who does that? I'm like, you're defeating the whole purpose of even washing your clothes. Why would you mix your dirty clothes with your clean clothes? Yeah, I should have knew something then, because that was just one of the most off things that I have ever seen anyone do. Who does that? And this person used to just go in the closet, just grab something to put on. One time this person asked how I look. I said, you look like a wrinkled up ass bum. And that's exactly what he looked like. But he thought he looked good, so he went on out the door. Just didn't care. Just stopped caring. Didn't want to keep up his hygiene. So he just reeked. Every time he came through the door, I could be in another room and I can smell him. It was just so sickening. It was ridiculous. Not only was it liquor and whatever else you was doing, you smelled that demon reeking out of his pores. Reeking. And day by day, that demon started to appear. And like I said in one of my older videos, I really seen it that night, which was the last night of that encounter that I had with this person when he tried to choke me on my bed. I promise y'all, it was I saw that devil clear, and he's very dark, and it was dark in I had the TV on, but it was still pretty dark in the room, and he's dark, and I saw that devil clearly that night. So it really showed up that night. But like I said, I'm just so happy it went down the way it did, because it got him away from me 1 month faster. Because like I said, I was worried about the wrong thing, about a lease, when I should have been worried about my well-being. I was not putting myself first. I was worried about the wrong thing. So, however, I'm really glad that it worked out. One month before I was supposed to have moved. So I had him out of my way, out of my hair for one whole month. And I was gone by the time he got out. Thank you, Jesus. Had to happen the way it had to happen. Nothing is by coincidence. Nothing. So you know, it's terrible once you get to a place that you're really out there. When you get to a place, when you're doing good, and then once you wanted to be for the streets, in the streets, you became just that, the streets. You didn't care about your life, but wanted other people to care about you. You cannot care about people who don't give a damn about themselves. I been gave up on that. You don't give a damn about yourself, so why should I? You people just crave way too much attention, and it's just ridiculous. Bad part is they lose a good person and then get upset when you don't want to return. So what do? They retaliate. They get very vindictive, as you can see. They would do any and everything to try to bring you down, take you out. See, the thing is with narcissists, they have some belief that they own you. They swear they own you. And in their heads, you will be back one day. Keep waiting on Gina to come back. Keep waiting. You're going to be waiting until you die. But yeah, they think they own you. When you break away and leave, in their head, it's not over until they say it's over. You got me. You already know. So rap is done, over with. Move on. Keep it moving. You got plenty of people around you. You don't own me. You don't own anyone. You don't even own you. Like I said, illusions and delusions is where they reside. All these narcissists. They live in a fairy tale. They think they're better than everyone. They think they're smarter than everyone. And some of them be the dumbest people walking. But that's the illusion that they live in. People are losing their mind because they can't control me. How crazy is that? These people mad because they cannot control me. Because I release them and I am a free spirit in this world. That's why you treat people right. You don't get to treat people like shit and think they're going to stick around. See, these people think that you're going to be around them forever, that they'll be able to do the things that they do forever. No. I will not reduce who I am for low vibrational nothings. Know that. So you can keep convincing yourselves that I'm not gone forever. So be it. You're going to live in your own illusions anyway. You're going to live in a fantasy land anyway. That's all you know. You know nothing else. You know nothing of reality. Sad. Almost 60, and you still have not grown up. And you got others out here in their late 30s, late 50s, 70s, still acting like kindergartners, preschoolers. Grow up. Let it go. It's a wrap. Bye.